Outfit of the day. Look at the bib. Beautiful eyes. Can you say mango? Mango. Precious. Nakakalungkot guys kasi recently ko lang nalaman na majority ng mga babies in the Philippines may nutrition gap. It's around 97%. Sobrang laki nun. Sa tingin ko, time constraint. Ang tagal mag-prepare ng food, nutritional resources, and of course, kulang sa budget. I honestly did not know na si Cerelac meron siyang big sustansya na equivalent to a baby's daily nutrient needs. Favorite niya to ngayon. Are you hungry? Sobrang hilig niya rin sa banana. Baby pa siya dun. Oh. Ay, siya na lang. Scoop. Careful. Ooh. More. Yay! Grabe naman yun. Yun. Independent na. Wow. Sobrang saya niya guys. Make sure panatilihing Cerelac sa mga babies natin with big sustansya. Yay!